Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and I would like to share with you a very impressive attacking game played by Miguel Najdorf. The name of his opponent is unknown and the game was played in 1942 in Rafaela. Najdorf had white pieces and he started with d4, d5 by black, and c4 white goes for queen's gambit. e6, black is declining the gambit, knight c3, knight f6, knight f3, we see the 3 knights variation a6, black is intending after e3 to respond with d takes c4, and if bishop takes c4 then play b5. But after a6 we see c takes d5, knight takes d5, e4, knight takes c3, b takes c3, bishop e7, bishop d3, and we see castling by both sides. c5, black is challenging white center, queen e2, c takes d4, c takes d4, rook e8, rook d1, knight c6, bishop b2, white is developing his last piece, b5, black is also going to develop the bishop, rook c1, bishop b7, both developing the bishop, also protecting the knight, and d5, a very ambitious move by Miguel Najdorf. He takes d5, he takes d5, knight b4, and bishop e4. Now the best move for black is playing bishop d6. This is what you should do when your opponent has an isolated pawn. You should first block the pawn's further advancement and then start targeting the pawn. By the way, after bishop e4, even bishop takes d5 is playable, though black didn't dare to go for this line, which of course leads to very complex variations. If a3, then black can play bishop d6, open up the rook's path. But after bishop e4 we see knight takes a2, which is actually a total blunder. Here comes knight e5, knight b4, and already it's high time to rip open black's king side. Here comes bishop takes h7 check. White pieces are eyeballing at black's king side, and this is actually becoming more and more dangerous. King f8 was played. Well, king takes h7 could have prolonged the game, though after queen h5 check, king g8, queen takes f7 check, king h7, knight g4 with queen g7 mating threat. If bishop f8, then rook c3, the rook is coming and it's over. But after bishop takes h7, king f8 was played. Here comes queen h5, again with the mating threat. Bishop takes d5, protecting the pawn on f7. And now please pause the video and try to find Najdorf's next moves. Actually, there is a mate in 3 and he's unleashing a brutal combination. Ready? Well, in this position, Najdorf first played rook takes d5, removed the defender, and after queen takes d5, he went for another dazzling move. Queen takes f7 was played. Did you find this move? Queen takes f7, and here comes the knight d7, and we see this brutal smothered mate on the board. The bishop from the right side, the knight from the left side are simply smothering this poor king. Look at this. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. I hope that you enjoyed this final brutal mate. Good luck.